My name is Milind Mohile. I am Vice President for Triveni Turbines and I look after the energy transition solution business. Triveni Turbine is an old company. It's a 50-year-old company that is into industrial steam turbines. And recently we have also diversified into making this energy transition products to help decarbonize, electrify the industry. So for that we have various products like heat pumps, ORC systems, MVRs, that is mechanical vapor recompressors, and also we have turbines for our energy storage applications. So this is something that we feel very passionate about, and even our traditional industrial steam turbine portfolio has a lot of applications or turbines that um, uh, go into sites that use thermal renewable energy. That means biogas, bagasse, even municipal solid waste. So that's our way and how we are contributing towards energy transition for the industry in general. So it's still early in the morning, so on the first day. So still very kind of people are getting settled and everything. So we are yet to see a good footfall. Hopefully, rain gods will help us and also make people come here more.